Hello friends. I am Rajesh and right now, I am sitting in my house. You are watching this video. We are learning together. Today's topic is the present continuous tense. The tense we use to talk about what is happening right now. Not yesterday. Not tomorrow. Right now. Are you ready? Let's begin. Section 1, Morning Chaos, 7:30 a.m. It's morning, and my house is very busy right now. I am drinking tea. My wife Anjali is running around in the kitchen. She is making breakfast, packing lunch, and talking on the phone all at the same time. Indian wives are real superheroes. My daughter Ria is getting late. She is brushing her teeth, combing her hair, and watching cartoons, yes, all together. The school bus is coming. The driver is honking loudly. Ria is still searching for her homework. Outside, Uncle Kumar is doing yoga. Auntie Sharma is gossiping with the milkman. Dogs are barking. The whole society is waking up. What are you doing right now? Are you drinking chai? Is someone disturbing you? Section 2, Mumbai local train, 9 a.m. Now, I am traveling to office. I am standing in a crowded Mumbai local train. People are pushing. Someone is stepping on my foot. A man is reading a newspaper on my face. Another person is eating vada pav. The smell is spreading everywhere. A boy is selling pens. Das Rupai, he is shouting. Some office people are sleeping while standing. One uncle is talking loudly on the phone. हाँ भाई, मैं आ रहा हूँ. Two aunties are fighting for a seat. Everyone is looking. Nobody is helping. This is Mumbai local, the real India. Do you travel by train? What crazy things are happening in your train? Section 3, Office Drama, 11 a.m. Now, I am sitting at my desk. Oh no, my boss, Mr. Sharma, is walking towards me. He is looking angry. My colleague Vikram is hiding under his desk. He is eating samosas secretly. The manager is not seeing him. Lucky fellow. In the meeting room, people are sleeping with open eyes. One person is snoring softly. The boss is talking and talking. Nobody is listening. The office peon is serving tea. He is spilling tea on important papers. My friend is chatting with his girlfriend. He is smiling at his phone. His wife is calling on the other phone. He is ignoring it. What is happening in your office right now? Section 4, Lunchtime Chaos, 1 p.m. Lunchtime. Everyone is ordering food. Phones are ringing. Swiggy. Zomato. Vikram is eating chicken biryani. The smell is killing me. I am eating simple dal rice. He is laughing at my food. I am feeling jealous. Some people are sleeping on their desks. One person is snoring loudly. The AC is not working. Everyone is sweating. The IT guy is saying, I am trying, I am trying. Are you feeling hungry now? What are you eating today? Section 5 Evening Road, 6 p.m. Now, I am going home. But traffic is not moving. Everyone is honking. Nobody is listening. One auto driver is fighting with a car driver. They are shouting in Hindi, Marathi, and English, a perfect mix. The police are coming. Suddenly, they are saying sorry. Street vendors are calling. Garam chai, garam chai. Children are playing cricket on the road. Their mother is shouting from the balcony. Raju, ghar aaja. A cow is sitting in the middle of the road. Cars are going around it. Nobody is complaining. This is India. What is the craziest thing happening on your road right now? Section 6 Home Sweet Home, 8 p.m. Finally, I am home. But wait, more action. Anjali is cooking in the kitchen. She is watching a TV serial. She is talking on the phone. She is scolding Ria all at the same time. Ria is doing homework. She is chatting on her phone. She is eating chips. Teenagers. My neighbor is playing loud music. Another neighbor is shouting at him. One more neighbor is enjoying the drama. I am sitting quietly. I am drinking tea. I am relaxing. Finally, some peace. What is happening in your house right now? Section 7 Future Plans, this weekend. Good news. This weekend, we are going to Lonavala. We are planning a family trip. We are taking lots of snacks. We are making bhajia, samosas, and theplas. Ria is inviting her friend. Anjali is making a long shopping list. I am checking my bank balance. It is already decreasing. Next week, my company is giving a bonus. We are celebrating. We are planning to buy a new TV. What are you planning for this weekend? Section 8 Quick Practice. Now your turn. Answer these questions. What are you doing right now? What is your family doing? Is it raining in your city? Are you learning something new these days? What are you planning for tomorrow? Remember, I am drinking tea, not I drinking. She is cooking, not she cooking. They are playing, not they playing. Conclusion, rule plus practice tip. Remember, friends, use am is our plus verb plus ing. Use it for actions happening now. Use it for temporary situations. Use it for future plans. Look around you right now and say 5 sentences. My dog is sleeping. My mother is cooking. My phone is ringing. A car is passing. I am learning English. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Thank you for watching. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Right now, I am saying goodbye. You are becoming better at English. We are finishing this video. See you next time.